Kalimla here from Buddha.pk. Introducing Gymnocalycium mihanovichii. Perhaps it has many names: the moon cactus, ruby cactus, ball cactus. These plants are a combination of two cacti. On the top we have variegated Gymnocalycium, aka the moon cactus. And for the base or rootstock, in this case we have Hyloceras. Although other cacti such as Hyloceras dianthus or Trigonus, Ceres parvenius or Trichoceres spechianus are also suitable for rootstock. These plants come in various cherry colors such as pink, yellow, red, orange, purple, and one of my favorite, the multi-shade. To achieve these bright shades, Gymnocalycium is treated with gamma rays to such an extent that it completely loses its chlorophyll, and as a result, the ability of photosynthesis is gone. Now, in these variegated states, Gymnocalycium cannot produce its own food and is totally dependent on a solid rootstock for nutrition. And this is the reason we always find moon cactus in grafted forms. Once you notice that babies growing on the sides are of considerable size, then just plunk them and graft them onto a new rootstock. In this way, you can multiply your plants. And now, these guys don't need glow lights as they are good indoors. These are all grafted, so the chances of rotting is always near. So be careful watering it. Use soak and dry technique. Once the soil is completely dried out, still give it 3 days before watering, because once they started to rot, sayonara. We don't want that. Always remember, when it comes to cacti and succulent, always choose for less water instead of more water. These plants are not toxic at all, but still, they got many thorns. So, no, don't let your baby eat it as if it's a bright candy. As we don't want the soil to retain much moisture, so a fast draining mixer is the goal. So I recommend adding 70 to 80% mineral grades such as pumice, coarse sand or perlite, etc. Fertilize once a week, maybe add some diammonium phosphate or NPK while watering. No specific fertilizer needed in winters. And with that, I think everything is covered, so feel free to share anything with us in the comment section. Like, subscribe for more. Allah Hafiz.